Here is how to use Epsom salt to treat these common health issues. Epsom salt offers many uses, from alleviating joint pain, arthritis, and easing muscle aches, to benefiting your overall health. In addition, Epsom salt was found in the 17th century, near Epsom in England. In case you want to avoid using any toxic chemicals, you should not worry about using Epsom salt as it is a naturally occurring mineral. It is packed with sulfates and magnesium. Moreover, these two compounds can get absorbed through your skin and into your body. They play an important role in performing a number of vital functions. Many studies have also confirmed that sulfate and magnesium could get absorbed via the skin when taking an Epsom salt bath. Here is why you should include Epsom salt in your routine. Relieves joint pain. Perhaps alleviating joint pain is the most common use of Epsom salt. As stated above, the two main compounds of Epsom salt include sulfates and magnesium. They are very important for your body. To relieve joint pain, you should prepare an Epsom salt bath. Furthermore, the Epsom salt can easily break into the water, which allows the sulfates and magnesium to get absorbed into your body that could utilize them for its therapeutic effects. It is important to understand that it is difficult for your body to absorb the magnesium taken in supplement form. As a result of this, your body could get to use the most of the magnesium when taking an Epsom salt bath. Helps treat headaches. Taking an Epsom salt bath will not only relieve joint pain, but it can also help relax your body and treat your headaches. Namely, these health benefits are attributed to the sulfates and magnesium found in Epsom salt. Taking an Epsom salt bath also helps soothe sore muscles. Acts as a face scrub. You should add some Epsom salt to your regular face cream and then apply it to your face. It is advisable to massage your face with circular motions. Finally, wash your face with warm water. Serves as a foot scrub. Mix some castile soap, olive oil, and Epsom salt. You should use the mixture at least twice a week as a foot scrub. You will be amazed by the results. Helps you get rid of greasy hair. In case you are having trouble with greasy hair, simply add some Epsom salt to your regular shampoo and let it do its job. Acts as a fruit fertilizer. Did you know that Epsom salt could act as an excellent fruit fertilizer? Add 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt to the soil to grow higher and brighter fruits. Serves as a bathroom cleaner. Mix equal parts liquid soap with Epsom salt and use it to clean your bathroom. You can actually use it to clean your bath, tiles, and sink.